Struggling with a blacklisted phone that won't work on any carrier? Tired of overpriced unlocking services that promise results but empty your wallet? Discover a fast, free, and easy way to unlock any phone, including Samsung, LG, and iPhone, with zero technical skills needed. This method is designed for everyone, even if you're not tech-savvy. By following this simple guide, you'll unlock your phone safely and start using it with any carrier, without spending a dime. If you're using a T-Mobile device or have a carrier app installed, unlocking can be even easier. No unlock code required. Just wait for a confirmation message that your phone is unlocked through the carrier app, restart your phone, and you're good to go. For other phones, the process is just as simple. Insert a SIM card from a different carrier, not your original one. Turn on your phone. You'll be prompted for an unlock code. Go to useanysim.com, a trusted website with a 100% success rate, and get your unlock code for free. Enter the code and unlock full access to your device. Enjoy the freedom to switch carriers, travel internationally, and avoid the expensive traps of carrier restrictions. Stop letting carrier locks control your device. Reclaim your freedom today. For more simple guides, tips, and methods to maximize your devices, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Unlock the full potential of your phone now. Your freedom starts here.